The following is an example of a report that needs to be transposed before we take it into Excel. We use a report that includes information about employees. We print it to the B2 WinSuite device. Once we activate B2 Design, we notice that data is displayed in rows. To handle this type of report and convert it into a table with columns, we need to define it as a report of type transpose. First step in the design would be to assign the starting line of the report. Next, we will mark the different groups where we have rows that need to go into columns. As you can see, on every line there is a label, a colon, and value. The labels will become column names, and the values will be added under these labels. Once we do this, we can see the result displayed as a column in the Design Preview window. We can save this configuration for future use and then print the result into Excel. Are you ready to get maximum control over your ERP output? Contact us today.